Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cinco, back with another one. Hey, we in here. It's Thursday morning. We are live in the New York session right now trading. I didn't take a trade at all yesterday on Wednesday. Like I said, Wednesdays are a little suspect for me, at least. They just tend to be losing days. The market usually always does some wild shit on Wednesday, so I usually try to stay away from it, and which I was disciplined enough to do yesterday. Now, however, this morning, we were watching Dirty 30, US 30. I was watching, and we caught a nice little move. I'll show you what we got going on here. Currently, this is what we're looking like on US 30 at the moment. We are floating almost $200 profit. Like I said, it is Thursday, June 6th, 6:57 in the morning. And as you can see, just 5-minute flying action. This was a 5-minute entry. All I did was literally read this 200 moving average. This was simple entry, very simple entry, guys. All this was before market opened here. This was 5-10 minutes before market opened. Price closed above that 200 period moving average, this white line right here. So when price closed above on this candle, I took an entry. All right, price went up in favor in profit for a little bit, and then on the market open, it pulled back. At this point, I'm not gonna lie, I was very close to closing the trade when price was down here. It was getting real close to my stop, and I was just like, you know what? This is thing and flip bearish. It just gave us a, a nice little fake out in the morning for it to, go on a bearish day. And then I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna be patient. And that patience has paid off because as you see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes later, we are well in profit at the moment. So right now we are floating looks like a 1 to 2 at the moment. This would be a good target to take profit as well, but there are some actual structural highs. I'll show you on the higher time frame here. So if we go to the 30-minute, actually, you'll see some structure over here in which I'm targeting for price to go to. I'm hoping we can actually go buy this and retrace most of this move here. However, that's a little far-fetched. It's a little wishful thinking, especially for a scalper like myself. You gotta take what they give you when they give it. And right now, I can see price definitely trying some type of pullback because we had a lot of support here. Support. This was a heavy support area, which would now turn to hold as resistance if it's going to continue down. However, if we're going to make a reversal and head back to this structural high on this side where the supply zone was, this is the last supply zone out of this major push here down that has not been retested. So this supply zone, this orange line, is my overall target. That's where we have not been back. As you see, price broke below here and has not retraced back to this level since. So that's the area where I see us having some issues once price does get back to. However, right now we just gotta wait and see. Go back to the 5-minute here. And as you can see, let's see, 5-minute, we are getting some type of rejection from this this structural low here that could, or this, like I said, this level could end up holding as resistance if this is the downtrend and if that supply level is gonna hold. So we'll see. We'll see. All you can do is wait and see. I have my stops at break even right now. At this point, we're not gonna lose any money. All risk is off the table. And as price continues to go in our favor, I'm just gonna continue to trail the stop and secure profits along the way. And that's all you can do, man. Like I said, right now we're just floating, fluctuating. And as things continue to go, I will update you along this trade. All right, so I got an update for y'all, YouTube, on that US 30 position that I was in. It was looking good. It was looking good, but I told y'all we had some issues. We had some areas that we had to get through before I could really feel comfortable about this trade. Now, here it is. We didn't quite make it. You see what we did at this white line here? Remember, let's go back to the 30-minute. I'm pulling up 30. This is the 5-minute. This is the 5, but here go to 30. So 30-minute time frame wise, as you can see, we had all this support here on this white line. Support, 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 support there until the breakout. So it broke out to the downside super far. I mean, it just shot down. Now, this was the last area of structure, a major structure that we broke before price never really came back yet. Because you see, when price broke through there, we ain't been back to this to retest it yet at all. One time, not once, until now. When we get here by the pip, this thing starts rejecting it. And you see it clearly on the small time frame. This is 30-minute. You see it clearly down there on the 5-minute. Clear rejection from this level, which I knew we were going to see some issues. I should have actually took profit there. To be honest with you, that would have been the smartest thing I could have did here out of this setup. For me learning my lesson, I should have, honestly, I literally should just took profit right there. However, I let price, because that would have been a 1 to 2.45, which is a great trade, by the way. Great trade. Should have definitely took it. However, I wanted to squeeze a little bit more out of it. And that caused me now to, I got out where this red line was my stop loss. I had moved my stop into profit. So pretty much a 1-to-1. Closed out at a 1-to-1, $70 profit. And, you know, it's cool. It is what it is for a Thursday. I wish we could have broke through that level a little bit more strong with some volume instead of this reaction right here. Swing traders, like I said, as a swing trader, that might not be something that scares you. You know, you might be able to handle this because, like I said, you do get this rejection. We do have this resistance that could possibly hold this support moving forward, and then price could end up bouncing up off of here. Very possible as well. However, like I said, I mean, I don't know. I don't like to play around with these markets. I really don't, because they can do anything. They can do anything. It's like I said, this sell-off was the last structure. Like this break, this got a, you know, the break and retest everyone always talks about. Okay, we got a breakout, but we never got a retest until now. So if this is going to continue bearish, this will be a great level for bears and sellers to come back into the market and look for other entries if you missed out on this sell-off here. So that's the scary part about this level, and which is why I wanted to move my stops up a little further. And like I said, the lesson here is that if I would have had taken profit instead, you know, it would have been more money made. Could have had more money in the bank, more secured. But that's the realities of trading right there. Making those type of decisions within split seconds. So that's today's trade. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be looking for another setup. If I do, I'll let y'all know. Most likely, it's probably not gonna happen. Damn, those are trades that just make you wanna, you know what I'm saying? Square up, US 30, square up. You know what I'm saying? Telling you, bro, hey, them the trades that just really make you just kind of like, it's all good though. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, so after that setup right there, I'm definitely done for today. Because like I said, emotionally, right now I just want to, like, because and the thing is like half of it is like, I feel like half of it is I want to fight US 30. Half of it I want to fight myself. Like I said, it's only me that needs to make adjustments here. Oh my God. And this is how I feel after making money in a trade. Like that's when you know you're getting somewhere, I guess, in Forex, guys. Like when you start, you know, getting frustrated about making money, man. It's like, 'cause this is like, I left a lot of bread on the table right there. A lot of bread on the table, and partially, mainly, actually 100% because I was being too greedy. Simple as that in this instance. Too greedy. So 1 to over 2.5, like 1 to 2.5 was up. and that wasn't good enough. Obviously, my goals are usually 1 to 3s. You know, that's what I be shooting for the most part, at least. You know, 3s, 4, 1 to 4s. But like a 1 to 2.5 is not, there's nothing wrong with that. Like, nothing wrong with that. And I should have just took it. I should have took it. But at the same time, I'm looking at the chart now and it's like, kind of glad that it happened the way it happened, because if I didn't, you know, and I just stayed at break even, I wouldn't have made anything. So it's like, at least I did that. At least I moved my stop up to at least catch that 1-to-1. You know what I'm saying? So it's not the end of the day, but it is the end of my trading day. And until tomorrow, Friday, you know, I'll see y'all later. Peace.